Showbiz Central. Showbiz Central is a Philippine television talk show broadcast by GMA Network. Originally hosted by Raymond Gutierrez, Guanio, and John Lapus, it premiered on April 29, 2007, replacing S-Files. The show concluded on July 29, 2012, with a total of 275 episodes. Gutierrez, Guanio, Lapus and Jennylyn Mercado served as the final hosts. It was replaced by H.O.T TV, Hindi Ordinaryong Tsismis, in its time slot. Segments: MRT, Most Requested Talent. Showbiz Central Live. Don't Lie to Me. Sweet Fire. Central Map. Correct or Reject. The Story of Your Life. Dateline SC. The Killer Question, Seal It or Reveal It. Star Leveling. Intrigue Crossfire. Ka Facemuck. Be Seen. Hosts: Raymond Gutierrez, 2007-2012. Guanio, 2007-2012. John Lapus, 2007-2012. Mo Twister, 2008-2010. Rufami Quinto, 2008-2011. Jennylyn Mercado, 2011-2012. Recurring host Jelena Magdangle, 2009-2010. Ratings. According to AGB Nielsen Philippines Mega Manila Household Television Ratings, the final episode of Showbiz Central scored a 9.5% rating. Accolades.